Good morning, traders. 9:51 a.m. and today is Friday, the 28th of April. So, one trade I tried to do in the morning, that is 43,200 call option, bought it at 167, and it didn't go my way, so I cut it off early. So this is the whole. This is the booked loss right now, 1,700 rupees. On the other side, what I did is I hedged today because usually on Fridays and Mondays the decay is very slow, and Monday being a holiday, I took a little risk over here, and my risk capacity will be a total of 5,000, meaning already 1,700 booked, so another 3,300 I'm keeping space for that. So once this negative shows 5,000, I'm going to square out these positions. What I'm seeing now, Bank Nifty open gap up, came down, and now it's floating over here. If this RSI does not break 40, and if it does not come above this range right now, okay, we could see a drop. So I've seen these patterns before. What it does is usually it'll come here, okay, start ranging, and then it'll break down. So if this breaks down, if it is a directional move, if it starts to float and then takes a price action here and moves back up, anything is possible right now. Traders time is 10:10, and just look at this, okay. I drew this range and it went up, took a price action, did a fake breakout and dropped back down. Now my positionals, it went to minus 6,000, 6,500. That is where I thought, okay, you know what, let's put a 1:1 reward ratio. Either I get 100 points or I give 100 points, which should be 40,000 loss. So I'm not at all concerned about how the market is going. I just know that there's going to be a big move, because see, when it is dropping and is coming back up, there will be put writers and there will be call buyers. Now this wick knocked them all out and is dropping now. Now see, from my minus 1,700 I came to minus 1,200, meaning now this straddle is in plus. So I'm going to wait and hold. I'm going to see how it goes. Okay, being a Friday, decay will not happen much. My total points over here is 402. Okay, so if I get let's say even 20 points, I would be in a 8,000 profit. So from 402, if it goes to 422 total, I would be in a 8,000 profit. Now see, we are in a 1,000 profit. So had to hold this. If I had exited over here where it was showing minus 6,500, then I would have lost this opportunity to make money. So I'm going to hold and see how this works out. Right, traders, the positive has come in. So I've made 3,500 on this move, meaning we made 5,200 profit on this move. Now I don't care where the market goes after this. Does it go more directional or does it come back in and try to cut out some losses? No, I have made 1,700 back plus 3,500. So overall 5,200 in this triangle. Very quick trade. I bought this at 10:13 and now it is, sorry, I bought this at 9:48 and 10:13, so in less than half an hour I made that money. So I'm happy now. I'm going to just wait and watch for the next opportunity. Traders, my next trade, going by Bank Nifty futures, see, very simple. The green broke the red, okay, this is going to come back up and I'm going to wait for this to come back up. In the meantime, what I will do is I will see, now VWAP over here is at a 42,984. So if I round it off, let's take 42,900 call option. Let's see the chart of 42,900 call option. Here we are, 42,900 call option. Red broke the green, sorry, the green broke the red line, okay, hit VWAP. As I always say, it will always come back to VWAP and then it fell. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell this option right now at 263. There you have it, 263. I have sold this option, and let's just mark the level over here, and I will average up every time it goes higher. Even if it crosses VWAP, I'll add one more lot. So 263 is my current shorting right now. I'll wait for it to break below 247 and then I'll start booking my profit, because I've already made good profit today. I don't want to give anything back. So I'm just going to mark this level right now. Now I don't expect too much decay to happen today. What I'll do is I'll add one more lot over here if it crosses VWAP. Another point for learning is whenever there is a breakout of a candle before green crosses red, okay, you can buy one lot when it touches red and another lot if it breaks below VWAP, because this will again swing down. This is 42,800 put option. Okay, right now it's at 228 and the red line is at 220. So let's say you take a position over here, okay, and you average down more when it crosses VWAP. This will push it forward. So I exited at 251. Now if I wanted, I could have gotten again, putting a buy price at 220, but I'm not going to. Traders time is 10:40 and I have two positions at hand right now. One is I shorted 42,900 call option for 4th May. Another I shorted May end also 42,900 because the premium was just looking too good. So what I have over here right now, okay, one is that it broke the lower part of the range and is doing a price action. Okay, it's come down. It's taking a little support over here, which has been the buying zone. See, buy over here. So but now bears are slightly taking control. Okay, the volumes of buying is very less, and see now it's breaking down. So if this RSI, see, if you see this line that I drew over here at RSI, okay, here there is one where it crossed, and here's the second one that it crossed. I said in my previous videos that you always draw the line in a diagonal way, you don't draw it in a straight way. Okay, so now this is the diagonal way. So now here would be the best time to actually sell. So that is why I have these two positions. Both are slightly in profit right now. So uh, here also the price action I told you, well, it didn't reach our buy point, but this is how it always works. So if this breaks and this RSI cuts this line, it's going to be a really good fall, probably another 200 points. You can expect this level to meet, which is first level to break is 715. We'll draw the levels over here. Yeah, this is one level. First it has to break this where the main buying happened and then the rally. Okay, then the second level over here and the third level over here. It's been a long time since Bank Nifty dropped that much. Probably today is that day. So I'm going to hold this. If this level breaks, and I'll keep trailing the stop loss. Right, traders, the range has broken. It is not exactly taking a price action, but it is floating above the range. Second thing is the RSI has now broken these levels for the second time. Here it broke, went back up, here it broke. Now from here, if it crashes and it breaks this level of RSI, yes, we can see a big correction coming in. I am hoping for the best. Now I'm actually taking a break. It's 12:20. I'll be back at my system around 1:45. It's Friday, so I'll be going for Friday prayers right now. My my average on this is 220, and I have added two more lots to be purchased at 180. So if this purchases, then the average comes down to 200, which is over here. Now that the SAR has also crossed red over here and green is still below, so probably there will be one more dip and then a pullback, at least till VWAP. So if this buys and it goes to touch VWAP 214, and by the time if I'm back at my system by then, yes, I will exit with a profit of 14 points with 100 quantity, so that's 1400 rupees. Let's see how this goes. Right now it's coming back into the range. It's a little weak. If you look at the futures also, volumes are very low in the futures, but now even this is positive. Now I really don't know, is it going to go up, give a fake breakout and then drop, or is this going to turn? Let's see what happens. Traders, the fall has started. 15-minute RSI has started to dip, and this is breaking the two candles, previous two candles of 15 minutes. This was minus 4,000 at one point. Now it is plus 1,500. I'm still waiting. If the next candle opens and starts taking out these levels one by one, yes, my target of 42,750 will be achieved. 5-minute time frame, that is where I drew it. Let's see, these are big candles, big selling, and the selling volume is also good. Let's wait and watch. The profit now is expanding. I'm just praying this stays above 1,000 because I don't want to leave with anything less than that. So time is 2:24. I have plans to hold this till the close of day, thinking that expecting a big fall. Now we have 10 seconds left for this candle to close. If it closes at the bottom without any wick, yes, we'll see some more downside. Okay, 2, 1, let's see. Okay, a little pullback. 42,900 has also come to cost. It's a good thing I shorted it now. See, it's coming back to plus 1,000. Okay, let's wait because now the negative SAR has also started to form, and oh, these candles are leaving before the red crosses the green. Let's see if it at least touches VWAP another 40 points, another 40 points. 40 points from where it is right now would be here. So this level will also be taken out. Let's wait and watch. Traders, what a bad day today. It's a very disappointing way to end the month. What happened here? See, we had this opening high, it fell, and then it came here and started ranging. Okay. Now RSI, if you see here, it was just rising, but there was no movement in the candle pattern. Then this dip came, and then the high came, and then this dip came, and it just started rallying. In not rallying actually, just like 100, 120, 30 points. That's it. I mean, this is nothing big. Okay. Then what happened over here? It started coming down and it took off some levels over here. Now there was no consolidation. The only consolidation was in this level over here. Now that what happens? See, I'll explain this in very simple terms. Whenever there is a bottom over here and a bounce, okay, your that becomes your support resistance level. So over here this was the bottom. So let's put this over here. Look at how simple this is. Okay, let me just make this more thinner. Okay, look how simplistic this is. This was the bottom, so we took the top of that candle, okay, and we put it over here. Now this came, it rejected and started moving up. Now the candle that settles over here, okay, your stop loss should actually be over here if you've taken this move, because a reversal can knock you out. Yeah, that can happen, that it will come here, knock out, and does a price action down. That is also part of the market, how it plays. So not everything can be predicted in a right way. Anyway, today 9,700 loss. If you can see, this over here is still running. I closed some positions on Fin Nifty and I shorted deep in the money because I am expecting a correction. I'm not going to let, okay, and this was absolutely disappointing today. Here we saw that it's coming down, okay, then pump back up. Here my stop losses got cut off, okay, again it came down here, again I was in profit, and the sudden one move just took out everything. Now hota hai, this is part of the market. Yes, I agree, this was in positive like 2 to 3,000 rupees in the morning itself. In the first hour itself I was plus 3,700. Over trading se ye hota hai yaar. When you try to get to a bigger target, I am completely to blame. I take complete ownership of this mistake. So nonetheless, we will have to sleep over it. Monday is a holiday. Let's look back at what we can learn from today and go ahead and make a better Tuesday. Tuesday is Fin Nifty expiry, the first expiry of the month of May. I'll see you then. Thank you.